Hi guys, so what I have here is a Hero GoPro 8 Black. It's a special bundle and it comes along with a head strap, a spare battery, a small SD card, and a small tripod. I bought this camera at Harvey Norman, Australia last weekend. It's 598 Australian dollars. The camera, this is the camera inside. This one, it's GoPro 8. And I think on this part, it is where the accessories are kept. This one here. So this is my first camera. This is my first GoPro. So that's why I choose to buy this special bundle, so that at least I already have the accessories, the head strap, a spare battery, SD card, and a tripod. So let's see what's inside. I'm going to open this part here now. Yep, this one, this is open. Right. Smells brand new here. Alright, okay, let's pull it out. Oops, it's not opening. Here. Right, let's pull it out. See what inside. Wow. Yeah, so this is the camera, guys. This one here. It's currently mounted on this one, so I need to take this off, and the accessories are on this back here. The back, you can see the instruction how to take it off, because it's currently mounted on this one. So according to the instruction, you need to take, there's a rubber, this one here. Need to take off this rubber, and then need to press. Let me just press. Yep, here. And it should allow you to take the camera. Yep, this one here. Here. So now I have my camera here. This is the rear screen, and this is the front screen. Yep. So let me just put this one here first, and let's open the rest of the item. Alright. What's inside this small box? Oops. Careful. Right. So what we have here, this is the head strap. Let's put it here. And this is where you can mount the GoPro 8. Let's put it here. One original battery. This one, and one spare battery. So I have two battery. It's really good because I don't have any accessories at the moment, because again, this is my first GoPro. It's a big help having an extra one. So the charger cable, this one, this is the SD card, and an adapter for the SD card. Let's put this one here. What else? All right, this is the small tripod. See, you can hold it like this. Okay, let me just open. Let's open this tripod, guys. Yeah, so this is a small tripod, guys, and yeah, like this. You can open this one so that it will stand like that, or you can also extend a little bit. Then you should be able to pull it out like that. Very good, very nice. Yep, I think that's it, guys. So we have here the small tripod, the head strap, this thing where you can attach the GoPro, the original battery, a spare battery, the cable charger, and the SD card, and this one. So for the head strap, guys, this one, I want to open this one, take it out so that you will see how it looks like. Wow, looks good. So this is where you attach the camera. For example, you're driving your bike, you're driving your car, you put this inside your head, and this is where you attach your camera on this part here. Alright guys, so this is what we have inside our box. So we have the camera and its accessories, and I am very excited to take my first video, do our first video vlog using the GoPro. It will be our first time, and I'm excited what will be the quality, the outcome of the video. And please watch out for a new video, and see you soon. Bye bye.